Take their proper. The world's greatest oracle. This oracle can answer any question that you pose of it. It's world renowned. It is the expert in any question. And so tonight we're going to see a little demonstration of just how intelligent this oracle is. So let's go ahead and get started. Oracle, please get in starting position. All right. Oh, there we go. You can tell they're serious. Now I'm going to do a practice question for them. Oracle, when am I going to get a raise at my job?
Whenever you try to succeed. Oh.
That's kind of true. It's kind of under my own discretion. So let's get a question from the audience. So, you right there, young lady.
Where do all of my socks go in the dryer?
Wow, that's a question that has plagued many for many, many years. Where do the socks go when they disappear in the dryer, Great Oracle?
They disappear into the Miasma.
Oh, the Miasma. You didn't know that. You're going to have to travel there, get a ticket or something, and you'll be able to find them. Question for the mighty Oracle. Yes, sir.
Is ice cream?
Oh, is ice cream? Question mark. You're actually pretty smart up here, believe it or not. No, the answer is no. The one lady raising her hand in the back. Yes.
How can I get my kids to clean their room?
Well, hold on. The Oracle's ready to answer this one quickly. Oracle, how does this lady get her kids to clean their room?
Whenever they stop being jerks.
Whenever they stop being jerks, and I guess that'll be never. I'm just saying. Let me get at one more question. Yes, sir.
What is your mother's worst nightmare?
I don't think we can keep it family friendly, Oracle. What is your mother's worst nightmare, Oracle?
The broom of the sun.
I think you kind of stumped him on that one. Let's do one more question for the Oracle. Yes, sir.
How many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop?
How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Tootsie Pop?
One lick.
If you use your teeth, it's one lick. I'm just saying. And one more question for the Oracle. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am, in the back.
What do I do if Pac-Man chases me?
What do you do if Pac-Man is chasing you?
Run